Last time we chatted, we talked about how chatting online could actually make you money. This time, it's different. The game's leveling up. We're not talking about chatting for tips. We're talking about the connection economy, where your time, your voice, and your energy actually have value. No, this is not just some get rich quick scheme. It's legit, it's smarter, but also you have to work for it. This is Chat to Earn 2.0, where platforms like FeetFinder and JoinMuse.com prove that real conversation can lead to real income and even real growth. In 2023, everyone laughed at Chat to Earn. In 2024, it blew up. And in 2025, it became a legit business model. The idea is simple. People crave connection, not fake followers or AI bots. Real human interaction. Some want to be entertained, others want to learn, and some just want to feel heard. And creators who understand that, the ones who know how to communicate, listen, and respond, are turning conversation into cash flow. Let's start with FeetFinder. And let's be clear, it's not a chat platform. It's a verified content marketplace where creators sell feet pics and custom content safely. But here's where chat comes in. It's the secret ingredient that builds loyalty and trust. Buyers don't just want a picture, they want a connection. And when you reply to messages, when you stay friendly, confident, and respectful, you turn one-time buyers into regulars. And that's where the tips roll in. On FeetFinder, chatting isn't just the job, it's the strategy. You sell your product, but your personality is the brand. When you engage right, you don't chase sales, they come back to you. Here's some FeetFinder chat tips. Respond fast. It shows you're active. Keep it flirty, not forward. Connection, not desperation. Set boundaries. Polite and professional always. Mention your custom content, but naturally. And remember, you're in full control. On JoinMuse.com, you can get personalized guidance on literally anything. Confidence and self-image, flirting and texting, social media presence, even wardrobe makeovers and lifestyle habits. It's mentorship in your pocket, available on iOS and Google Play. What's wild is that the people mentoring here are also earning. You can apply as a coach, set your rates, choose your style, supportive, direct, analytical, and actually help others grow while you grow your own income. It's communication as a career path, not a scam, not a quick hack, just a smarter way to monetize emotional intelligence. Confidence and self-image, lifestyle and routine, texting and messaging, talking to women and flirting, career growth, real conversations, real results. Here's where both platforms prove communication is the new currency. On FeetFinder, it helps you sell. On JoinMuse.com, it helps you coach. In both cases, it rewards you for showing up with personality, empathy, and confidence. Because talking is easy, but connecting, oh, that's a real skill. And in 2025, it's finally paying off. So no, this isn't some get rich quick scheme. It's legit. It's smarter and it works if you do. Whether you're chatting to engage your audience on FeetFinder or mentoring through JoinMuse.com, your words, your energy, and your effort are your assets. Learn to use them and watch how far you can go. Chat to earn, but do it with purpose. That's how you turn DMs into dollars and conversations into confidence.